Hello everyone students. Today I am going to explain you new topic understanding quadrilaterals from NCERT book exercise 3.2. Question number 1, find x in the following figure. This figure is given. Here we have to find the value of x. This is exterior angle. This is exterior angle. X 125 degree, 125 degree. These three are exterior angle. We have to find the value of x. We know that the sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So we start from here. X plus 125 degree plus 125 degree, this one equal to 360 degree. Next step, x plus this number you add 125 plus 125, 250 degree equal to 360 degree. After that x equal to 250 you send right side, then sign will change. 360 degree minus 250 degree, then x is equal to 0, 6 minus 5 1, 3 minus 2 1, 110 degree is the answer. Now the value of x is 110 degree. Now question number 2. Same, this is also polygon. Here also we have to find the value of x. In this polygon, so many angles. These angles we have to find out x. This is 90 degree. The inside is interior angle is 90 degree. It means that exterior angle is also 90 degree. This 60 degree is given. This is also 90 degree and this is 70 degree. Okay, only one angle you have to find out, x. So we know that the sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Same. So we can start from here. Continue, we will write x plus this 90 degree, then this 60 degree, plus then again 90 degree, plus this 70 degree equal to 360 degree as we know. Okay, then x plus we can add all 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree. So 0 0 0 0 is 0, 9 plus 7 16, 16 is 6, 22, 22 plus 9 31, 310 degree equal to 360 degree. Next step, x is equal to 310, you send right side, sign will change, 360 degree minus 310 degree. Then x is equal to 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 1, 5. 50 degree is the answer. Okay. Now the value of x is 50 degree. Come to question number 2. Question number 2 is given, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of. Question number 1 is given, question number 2 1, 9 sides, b 15 sides, no problem, very easy. 9 sides, sum of, we know that sum of all exterior angle of the given polygon is 360 degree. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon has the same measure. Thus, the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides equal to 360 degree by 9. We have divide by 9 and we can get each exterior angle. So how do you cancel it? 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36 and 1 0. So 40 degree is the answer. This is the 40 degree answer. Okay. Same process, B also you can find 15. B number is given 15 sides. Same. Sum of all exterior angle of the given polygon is 360 degree. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon has the same measure. This is the statements you have to write. This is important. Step by step you have to write. Then we can understand is it you are doing correct or not. Thus, measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides. Again, 360 by 15 degree. 15 1 is 15. 15 2 is 30. Here 6 is left. 6 and 0 60. 15 4 is 60. So 24 degree. 24 degree is the answer. Okay. So question number 2 is completed. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Solution. Sum of all exterior angle of the given polygon is 360 degree. Measure of each exterior angle of equal to 24 degree is given in the question. Thus, the number of sides of the regular polygon equal to 360 degree by 24. Now, we try to cancel it. 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36 and 0. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. Means 15. This 15 sides. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? We have to find number of sides. Solution. Measure of each interior angle is 165 degree is given. Interior angle is given, so we have to find exterior angle first. Measure of each exterior angle equal to 180 degree minus 165. Now you subtract, it comes 15 degree. We know that the sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So thus the number of sides of the polygon is 360 degree by 15. Now again you cancel. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 6 is left. 6 0 60, 15 4 is 60. So 24, number of sides is 24. This is also answer. Okay, this way question number 1, 2, 3, 4 is completed. Now question number 5. Now come to question number 5. 5 is given. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? A number question. B is given. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Okay, see. As we know that the sum of all exterior angle of all polygon is 360 degree. Also in a regular polygon, each exterior angle is of the same measure. Hence, if 360 degree is a perfect multiple of the given exterior angle, then given polygon will be possible. So, A. In these two A and B, first we will find exterior angle. Exterior angle is 22 degree is given in the question also. So 360 degree is not a perfect multiple of 22 degree. 360 degree is not a perfect multiple of 22 degree. Hence such polygon is not possible. Such polygon is not possible. Okay. B. Interior angle 22 degree. Here first you find exterior angle, then interior angle. Interior angle is 22 degree. Now first we subtract to find exterior angle. Because interior angle is given, exterior angle is not given. So we subtract from 180 degree. Exterior angle equal to 180 degree minus 22 degree. 10 minus 2 8. Here is given 7 is left. 7 minus 2 5 and 1. 158 degree. Such polygon Such a polygon is not possible as 360 degree is not a perfect square of 158 degree. So this is the answer. Okay, now it is completed. If it is clear, exercise 3.2, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.